Students, come to cool zone. Solve the equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 and ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. This question is from the board examination 2005. Come to the solution. First of all, take the first equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 2, taking the LCM and make it is in the general form. That is bx plus ay by ab is equal to 2. Then it becomes that ab goes to RHS. Then bx plus ay is equal to 2ab. That's the first equation. And the second equation is ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. And multiply this first equation with the a and second equation with the b. We got the equation as abx plus a square y plus 2a square b. And multiplying it, the second equation with the b, it become abx minus b square y is equal to b into a square minus b square. Here the two terms come, making as same. That is for elimination. We are eliminating this term, and for subtracting we are adding the additive inverse, and it become a square plus b square into y is equal to 2a square b minus b into a square minus b square. So I am open the bracket, and it become a square plus b square into y is equal to, and taking b from this side outside, we get 2a square minus a square b is taken out, it become a square, and minus into minus plus b cube, we take 1b outside, it become b square. Then a square plus b square is into y is equal to b into 2a square minus a square, it become a square plus b square. Then y is equal to b into a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square. Cancelling a square plus b square, it become y is equal to b. And putting y is equal to b in the equation 2, equation first, sorry, not 2. In the first, bx plus ay is equal to 2ab, and bx plus ab, y is equal to b, ab is equal to 2ab. And bx is equal to 2ab minus ab, that bx is equal to ab, and x is equal to ab by b, that is equal to a. And finally we got y is equal to b and x is equal to a. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.